you saw in the intro, I'll be showing you how to create posters, flyers, and media posts using Canva. So stay tuned for those examples. Example number 1, creating a poster on Canva. So here on the home page, we're going to go up to create a design, and there's just going to be a different options to pick. I'm picking poster. This just kind of changes dimensions of projects and things you might want to work on. But here I'm going to click on this blank page that it gives you and change the background color. So it'll give you some pre-made colors, or you can pick your own from the color wheel, but I'm going to choose one of the gradients. I just like the contrast of color. I think it's a great eye catcher. And on the side, there's going to be different templates. So you can use some of these pre-made templates for free on Canva. If you want to search up a keyword, they'll have some pre-made designs, and you can either take its and bits from, or you can just change the wording and use it as your own. I'm just going to create my own, so I'm going to the Elements page and searching up technology. So here it'll give you different options like graphics, photos, videos, frames, and even audios. So you can add any of these to whatever design you're creating, whatever fits best. I'm just going to go into graphics and kind of choose some graphics that fit into the background that can just add a little more design aspect to my poster. So I'm going in with these and just changing the colors and kind of just making what would fit best, kind of sticking more simple just to add to the background, nothing too crazy yet. But here I'm going to show you how to duplicate and flip. So that little button, when you click on an element, shows that you can duplicate, and on the top it'll have you flip horizontal or vertical, however you want to line it up to your page, and this just makes that process a little easier. Now in the text section, it'll give you some great combinations that you can use, and I'm just kind of scrolling through them, seeing what fits my poster best, and I landed on this one. So I'm just going to skip to me filling in my title and kind of just sizing it to the way I wanted it. But now I'm going to add in my table. So this is another aspect in Elements that you can add to any of your designs. I'm just going to go with a basic table and kind of make it fit how I want it to fit. So I'm doing the ACM Code of Ethics, which is 7 codes, meaning I just want a 1x7 table, which I created, and kind of just changed the background just to kind of fit it to what I wanted. You can do it however you want to, obviously, but this is just kind of some elements that you can use if you're willing to. And here I just filled it in real quick, and I'm showing you how to change the colors, like if you want to change the color of text or select different boxes. And yeah, you can even change border color. So I decided to make the border, instead of black, a different color just to fit my poster a little bit better. And now I'm going back to graphics to add some more graphics to make it more fun. Okay, what we've learned. So in that video, we just covered some background design, graphics, text, fonts, tables, and coloring. So I'm just going to show you another example using those same tools. So let's get into making a flyer. So same thing, I'm just going to go in and change to flyer, but this time I'm going to pick one of the pre-made templates. And here I just chose one, and I'm kind of just getting rid of the elements I didn't want to keep, and I changed the background color and kept just the design elements as well as the font. So now I'm just going to speed run through this just because there's some of the same tools that I covered in the last video, but I just want you to use this to take some inspiration on different design ideas and different tools that you can incorporate into your own designs if you do choose to use Canva. on some more tools creating a media post. So this third example will show us creating a media post, and here you're seeing me take a template and deleting everything except for the background. And now I'm going in with a text box and using a font that matches this background pretty perfectly. And you can even see me changing the color to fit a color existing in the background. So this just cohesive look to your design and a great tool that Canva features. Now I'm going to go back to the elements and click on a feature we haven't used yet, which is the frames. This will have different shapes, letters, whatever you're really thinking. And I'm going to go into devices because this is a technology themed media post. And as you can see, I'm going to choose this desktop computer. I just think this features technology and it's a clear demonstration of what it should be. And I'm just kind of shaping that, sizing that to fit my square template. And now I'm going to go back to elements and I'm going to search up technology. And here I'm going to go into the videos. And as you can see, there's some video options that Canva offers. I'm going to choose a free one because we are in the free version, but if you do have the pro, you'll have a lot more options to choose from. So I'm going to go in with this one. I thought that this was a cool design and something that matched my already made background and color scheme. And now I'm just kind of watching it back, seeing if it's what I like, if it's what I want. You can even change speed, layout, and you can crop the video as well. That's amazing features that Canva uses for their video aspects. And now you can see me just changing the color of my frame just to make it stand out a little more, seeing what looks right, just resizing, reshaping, seeing what I want. And now I'm going to go in with some graphics. Looking through it, you kind of just want to pick whatever you think is right. I'm just kind of looking for something to add a little more design aspects to my overall media post. And here you can see me using these globes kind of to match my video. And now I'm just kind of shaping them, flipping them, features that we used in our flyer and poster. And now I'm just kind of messing around with it, but you can do whatever you want. And now I'm going to show you how to animate. So I'm kind of watching this back and, there's only movement within the video. So I'm thinking to myself, what ways can we make this a little bit better and more of a cohesive looking post? And that's animation. So as you can see, I'm animating the text. There's tons of different features that you can choose from on Canva. And I'm just kind of looking through what matches my theme the most. And in the end, I end up using, I think, typewriter. And here you can kind of see what that shows. You can change the speed, the timing, whatever you feel. And now I'm going to even animate our graphics. So because they're a globe, I want them to match what we already have going on in the video. And here you'll see that there's a rotate feature. And this is just the animation I'm choosing for this design. But as you can see, there's tons to choose from and tons of different options that may work for you. But yeah, overall, this is just my finished product. And as you can see, this is just some video editing that even exists within Canva. So what we've learned in this last example, we covered using frames, animated text, animated graphics, and inserting videos. Well, that's the end of my examples. Here are a few pictures and screenshots, as well as a couple other examples you haven't seen that you can take inspo from, including things we've learned like background design, graphics, text fonts, framing, and inserting videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a few new tips and tricks that you'll be able to use on your future Canva designs.